what you just heard was the sound of bees from the real world, and then a layer of me going bzzz over the top to really just amp up that sound. This is a snippet from Ride or Die, which is a feature that premiered at Tribeca in June this year. And this is a scene where the protagonist discovers a scarecrow hanging from a tree. It is extremely sinister and creepy, and it's nodding to a rotten, racist core of America. And I wanted to acknowledge that sonically. I wanted to capture something that was going to aid in that sense of decay. So I wanted to capture the insects that are around decay, maggots, flies, bees, and really create something that was going to be like gross and overwhelming, that really feels like it's kind of absorbing you into this horrible, rotten core. This is what it sounded like.